You guys, yesterday, YouTube brought out their new monetization policy, and trust me, nothing much changed. I'm going to read out all the new monetization policy. Now, the one that caught me very well is they talked about mindless content. That any mindless content will be scrapped out. And what does it mean? A content that does not pass value, content that does not educate, content that doesn't have any intent at all, like it doesn't entertain, it doesn't educate, it doesn't add any value, will be scrapped out. Before I go into reading out the whole new monetization policy, I want to show you something. Do you see the screenshots here? This is someone's earning from her faceless channel. I posted it on Facebook, and a few hours I took the image down because I noticed that it was attracting a lot of views. And on the other hand, my mind told me, what are you trying to prove? Are you trying to prove that faceless content pays, and 2025 is the real time people are making like real money from faceless content? I said, let me just pull it down because if you want to believe, if you don't want, don't believe. So you can guess who have that earning, and you can guess the person. It's right for you to guess. Okay, so that's it. The earlier you put more energy on your faceless channel, the better for you. Trust me, we are not going back on this journey. Yeah, you can have a channel where you show your face, but also have a channel where you create faceless content, because there are some days you don't feel like showing your face on the camera. Yeah, and you will just use your faceless channels and be earning. Some of these top curators, content curators, especially in Nigeria, most of them, they have their faceless channels, but they won't tell you. They won't tell you that. So with this new policy, we are covered, especially if you are creating a value AI content, you are covered. We are not going back. You guys, I have not been active here because my laptop is on maintenance, and trust me, I will still be using phone and teach whatever I want to teach here. We need to let people know that this is the way. The earlier you build it, the better for you. Now let me read out the new monetization policy the way you will understand it. And this information is coming from YouTube. All right.
This is the YouTube channel monetization policy, and this is where everything is happening. We are making a minor update to our repetitious content policy to better clarify. This includes content that is repetitive or mass produced. We are also renaming this policy from repetitious content to inauthentic content. This type of content has always been ineligible for monetization under our existing policies, where creators are rewarded for original and authentic content. There is no change to our reuse content policy, which reveals content like commentary clips, compilations, and reactions videos. Do you see it? Examples of what's not allowed to monetize: content that exclusively features readings of other materials you did not organically create, like text from website or news feed, songs modified to change the pitch, and so on. Mass produced content using a similar template, similar repetitive content with low educational, do you see it, with low educational value, commentary, narrative, or minimal variation across videos. Mass produced content using a similar template across multiple videos, image slideshows or scrolling text with minimal or no narrative, and so on. Now see the reused content. Reused content refers to channels that repurpose content that's already on YouTube or another online source without adding significant original commentary, substantive modifications, or educational or entertainment value. Do you see it? Now this is what they will not monetize, and this is what they will monetize. We want to reward creators for original and authentic content that adds value. Now, examples of what's allowed to monetize: using clips for a critical review, a scene from a video where you have rewritten the dialogue and changed the voiceover, replays of a sports. What they are going to monetize: reaction videos where you comment on the original video, edited footage from other creators, edits to remix content on short, like adding original content to a song. Content that primarily features the uploading creator in the video, reuse content from other online sources where the creator is either visible in the content or explains how the creator added to the content, edited footage with audio and visual. So these are the things that they can monetize, all right? And content that violates the guideline, taking someone else's content, making minimal changes and calling it your own original work would be a violation of this guideline. If we cannot tell you that the content is yours, it may be subject to our reuse content policy. Do you see it? So basically, nothing much changed. Is AI voice over still allowed 100%? Yeah.
I also forgot to tell you that their policy based on their monetization criteria, which is having 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, and having 10 million watch hour on shorts and 1,000 subscribers, still stands. So hurry up so that you get monetized now. They have not increased their monetization criteria, because imagine they increase it to 10,000 subscribers and 600,000 watch hour. Who can meet up? That one will take you edges, yes. So you guys, nothing much changed on their new monetization policy, nothing much, just that they have to apply some strict on some of these reused contents, mindless contents, inauthentic content, and all that. Yeah. So if this is your first time of seeing my face, I am the Tech Mom, teaching you the legit ways of making money using AI, especially in content curation. So do me a favor and also yourself a favor by subscribing to this channel. Turn on your notification button. Please give this particular video a massive thumbs up so that it can reach other creators like you, whether aspiring creators like you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.